mga ka-antek, now we are going to explore the new Canvas Glow app. So here you can see the new editor. Sobrang wide. Ang wide na ng editing canvas natin sa editor panel na to. And then you can see here the floating tools or toolbar. Mas okay siya for me, ang linis niya tignan. Then you can see here on the right corner side panel yung mga other editing tools na dati is nasa top or nasa left. Ngayon parang naging ano siya, left, top, right, and bottom. Magagamit mo yung mga space. And sobrang ang ganda niya tignan kasi hindi siya cluttered, hindi rin siya destructive tingnan. Walang mga distraction kasi nagagamit yung lahat ng space nasa right gaya nito, and then floating yung effect ng mga toolbar, then yung pinaka top panel na is nakikita mo rin, and then itong side panel na nakikita natin pwede mo siyang i-on and off. Tingnan mo gaya dito, sobrang yung side panel niya hindi siya anong tawag doon? Hindi siya nakakakain ng space. 'Di ba pag nagde-design tayo, gusto natin malaki yung canvas, malaki yung space na nakikita natin para we can see the details. So dito, Canva achieved that na pwede nating isarado or minimize yung mga other side panels na hindi naman kailangan. So they just go with with the icons. And now we can check the video player or a video editor. So dito, okay din, ang ganda rin, nandun din sa right side yung other sub tools. Nasa right side siya, and yung mga animation is still the same. And then on the footer or sa pinakababa, nandun din yung mga ibang um, settings that you can play around. And then may additional din na dinagdag dito, pero I think not that much so sa animation. So on another note here, we also have a Canva Docs where Canva upgraded and did some glow apps. So dito, you can just highlight your words and then you can click the heading 1 or heading 2 on the toolbar. And also, of course, the magic, right? The favorite of everyone. It can act as a chat GPT inside the Canva. So suggestion mode where you can suggest kung kunyari may mga wrong spelling or yeah, suggestions. So it would work well sa mga team. And also try the page breaks. So for this one, sa second na to, ang gulo ng ano ko. Ayan, sa column. Sa column, you can try making aesthetic columns, 'di ba? So parang talagang yung docs na to hindi lang siya Microsoft Docs na straightforward or just boring docs. Dito you can of course upgrade your colors and make it aesthetic talaga as a creative or artist person, di ba? So yeah, you can explore the Canvas new glow up, the editors, the theme. Of course, if you're working with your team, you will love the Canvas new upgrade then. So check this out. Thank you.